is David from Iran. Very first time to be here and my friend is making a film. So enjoy it.
Good morning everyone. 11:30 today, Saturday morning. Today I'm going to Petaling Street, Chinatown of Kuala Lumpur. I'm excited to try their food, so let's go.
Food and souvenirs are everywhere here in Petaling Street, the perfect place for first-time visitors to Kuala Lumpur. But I got my eyes on these sunnies and it's my first purchase of the day.
This is just a sunglasses.
It's quite dark, yes. But I want something shiny.
Okay, shiny.
Yeah, I don't want matte. I don't like matte.
I think it took me time to pick one because the stall owner, he got bored.
Yeah, I'll take this one then.
Okay. Did you?
Yes, yeah.
It's my friend. Nice boy.
Yeah. Okay, nice meeting you.
Do you like matte or shiny? Comment down below. Now I'm hungry. Let the food in.
Wow, this is our all Siu Mai.
Red pepper is a mushroom, this one's a otak, and this one's the original, and this one is a crab meat.
Never have I tasted this variety before, but when you're hungry, you will eat anything.
Okay, 5 different kinds of Siu Mai right here for 650 ringgit. Let's try it. It's original. Original taste, very Siu Mai.
That description is spot on.
This one's black pepper. Black pepper is so strong. So that's 5 different kinds of Siu Mai for 650 ringgit.
Now I want something starchy. Off to the bake shop. Never enough with kaya puff.
So this is kaya puff. It's a local Malaysian pastry. It's made out of coconut.
It's amazing how hunger keeps me silent.
The sauce is very tasty and the jam inside is sweet. It's very good. Kaya puff, 2 ringgit 10.
All that munching made me thirsty, so I sought help from the king of tea, Chawang. But I was challenged to speak Cantonese.
Oh, tea and coffee. Tea and coffee is called what's it called? Yin Yeung. Yin Yeung. Okay, Yin Yeung. Okay, I have one. How much? How much is it? 3. Okay.
Finally, my ice cold tea and coffee is being served.
So this is Yin Yeung, kind of coffee and tea mix. Good thing it's cold. It's a really hot weather today. This is so good, and I'm really thirsty. Yin Yeung, 3 ringgit.
The sun is still blazing hot, but I haven't seen enough. Like in any travel situation, I will go with what catches my attention.
What is this?
Mochi, sticky rice with peanut.
Sticky rice with peanut. How much is it?
Nasi lemak.
Yeah. So this is the pandan flavored mochi. Let's try this. I like it. It's very good. Very sweet though. Black sesame mochi. Basically, it's a mochi that they
Made by the glutinous rice.
made like glutinous rice and then covered in black sesame seeds, right? Okay, let's do this. Now this is the original mochi. This is their new flavor. It's an orange flavored mochi. As I chew on it, all the flavor of the orange is coming out. It's really good too. Check out their Instagram account, number 821 Mochi. This is 5 ringgit for the box of this. Check out their store at number 821 Petaling Street here in Chinatown.
Next up is a very Malaysian bread in its own right, Malay Cake. A very soft and spongy cake common in every Cantonese plate.
Guys, this is Malay Cake. Literally, it means Malaysian cake. But I never tried this in Malaysia. I only tried this in Hong Kong. So let's give it a try. Yeah, it doesn't have much that difference with the one in Hong Kong. It's still very good. But it's so good to try this in Malaysia, right? Yeah. This is 5. So 6 ringgit for a bag like this. Okay, thank you.
Walking here in Petaling Street is like candy to my eyes. There's a lot to see and good vibes all around.
Earlier there was a long queue on this stand. I don't know what they have. It's an ice drink. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna try it.
Suju is cool. This is with ice, this is without ice. This one black color because of this logo.
Thank you for explaining.
So what is your YouTube channel? I can confirm maybe.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Okay,
nice to meet
thank
you.
我有动的，没有冰的。According to Lee, this is a Longan drink with another fruit which I don't know what it is, but let's give it a try. Very fruity and sugary. I never had this before, and this is so good. Somehow it tastes like those grass jelly drink, the black jelly drinks. Very sweet and it's very flavorful too.
I'm enjoying my very first day in KL, and people are very nice. In an alley, this businessman shows me how he prepares Malaysian coffee. That mixing abilities, so pro.
那我要那个 Teh Tarik 啦。
哪里要冷的热的？
冷的。
你要不要点一点？我怕你是不习惯。试一下我们这个的口味先啦哈。谢谢。
谢谢。多少钱？Teh Tarik in the bag. No wonder it's very famous. It's so good. It's so creative. It's so handy.
This milk tea drink easily becomes one of my favorites today. I finish it within 2 minutes. What a treat!
Hi, how much is this banana?
Oh, that one 35, my friend.
35.
30 lang. For you is mirror. I have but small mirror.
Yay! Thank you. I'm pretty stuffed already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!